Did you know that literacy shapes our access to the world? It's more than just reading and writing. Literacy development involves skills in reading, writing, speaking, listening, and understanding various media. Today, we'll explore what literacy development means and why it matters. Literacy is fundamental for education and participation in society. It extends beyond traditional reading and includes digital skills and critical literacy. Let's break down how literacy develops in children. First, let's consider the simple view of reading. It shows that literacy relies on two aspects: decoding words and understanding language. Both are essential for effective reading. Next, Emergent literacy theory suggests that this development begins at a young age. Through oral language, sharing books, and interacting with print, children begin their journey. Sociocultural perspectives focus on social interactions. These interactions and cultural practices outside school greatly influence literacy. Lastly, systematic phonics instruction has proven effective for early reading skills. Now, let's take a look at the essential components of literacy instruction. Phonics and decoding help children recognize words accurately. Building vocabulary is crucial too. Rich teaching of vocabulary and discussions improve oral language skills. Comprehension strategies are vital for understanding texts deeply. This includes teaching inference, summarizing, and questioning. Fluency in reading is developed through guided and repeated reading activities. Writing instruction is equally important. Here, we combine modeling and teaching about genres and grammar to enhance writing skills. Today's literacy also requires navigating digital information. We need to teach children to critically evaluate multimedia texts. Let's discuss some effective pedagogical approaches. Systematic synthetic phonics focuses on the sounds and the corresponding letters. This method uses decodable texts to ensure students practice regularly. Whole language learning emphasizes meaning, while balanced literacy integrates phonics with diverse reading experiences. Reciprocal teaching helps students lead discussions to improve comprehension. Interactive reading sessions support vocabulary and comprehension. Writing workshops involve mini-lessons and focus writing time to build skills. We must also consider differentiation and inclusion in literacy instruction. For students with dyslexia, structured literacy approaches are beneficial. English as an additional language learners thrive with explicit vocabulary teaching and visual aids. Higher performing students need enrichment through complex texts and independent research opportunities. Universal design for learning ensures that all students are supported in their learning. Assessment of literacy combines formative and summative methods. Standardized tests offer benchmarks, but classroom assessments are crucial for daily instruction. Progression frameworks guide teaching and help set learning goals. Finally, promoting literacy across all subjects enriches students' skills. This means teaching specific vocabulary and styles for different disciplines. Academic writing and research skills prepare students for the future. To summarize, literacy development is an essential journey that involves reading, writing, and critical thinking. By understanding the components and best practices of literacy instruction, we can support all learners effectively. Now, it's time to take action. How can you apply these insights to support literacy development? Start today by fostering a love for reading in your environment. Your involvement can make a difference.